See what we got going in here today. I love when it's nice and quiet. First up, a couple more fidget toys for Toys for Tots. Anatomical model is probably one of my most popular models, and this giant one, a little booty in the morning, is going all the way to Germany. Glue that up, and there's all of the organs that go with it. Some cool keychain projects I'm working on for the 9 to 5. Not bad in solid color. Now we just gotta maybe get these done in multicolor. And last but not least, I know it looks like a Grinch mask, but it's a mask.